Let's talk about the state animal and bird of West Bengal. Hello everyone, welcome to Quick Education. The state animal of West Bengal is the fishing cat, which is critically endangered animal listed in IUCN list. Yes, their number have dwindled down due to poaching, hunting, and removing destruction of swamp and mangrove areas, urbanization, over constructions. Once upon a time, the fishing cat was a common sight in the village ponds, swamps, and mangrove of West Bengal. The state bird of West Bengal is white-breasted kingfisher, also called tree kingfisher. It feeds on reptiles and insects from the ground, can be seen sitting on a pole branch